So in this video I will show you how to make unlockable zones into our Clicker Simulator, and I think this is part 7 of the Clicker Simulator series, and it's been a pretty long time since I did a video on this series. So yeah, we are back, and before we start, please like, comment, subscribe and share. I will really appreciate it. And now let's get into it. So we want to make a unlockable zone, so let's actually make the zone first. So let's duplicate this and duplicate all of these, copy. Well, I guess we don't need this one. Oh, let's copy this and let's change the color a little bit. Oh, never mind, we can change the color because it's one model. So we can change the color of this, so we can change it to like red, and that should be enough. So we want also to do this and remove this one and then do this. Let's line it up. You can see this eventing a little bit, but I'm not going to waste time doing this. I am just going to do the necessary stuff for you to learn. So now that we got this, we can make a folder, and I will call the folder like the R's. And you don't need to make a folder, but I'm making this folder because if this video will get 10 likes, then I will show you how you can save it. So if any players buy it and leave and then join back, they will get the zone unlocked automatically. But for now I will just make it one time. So when you buy it and leave, then you have to buy the zone again. But if this video will get 10 likes, I will add saving. So in this folder, let's add a part, and let's also insert a dummy, and let's scale our doors. So I think this is the right size for it, and yes, this should be alright. So we can put this there, and what we will now do is also anchor it, make sure it's anchored, so it won't fall, and cast shadow off. Then change the color to any color you want, and I will change the transparency to 0.5 or to 8, well, to 0.7. let's keep it at 0.7, doesn't really matter. But now let's rename the doors. Let's name it like lava doors. I can type lava doors, and let's add some values. So insert a number value and call it price, and this will be the price. And in this value you basically put how much money do you want it to cost. So I want it to cost 50 cash. And then add surface GUI. I accidentally inserted screen GUI, surface GUI, and set the face to front. And then we can add a text label, and as you can see, the text label is right there, but we want, oh yes, it's right there. So what we want to do to fix this, you want to change the size to 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we have this, and text scaled. I will change the font to vertical 1, and then change the background transparency to 1. And in surface GUI we can change this to make it a little bit bigger. Let's put like 10 or 15. Okay, so 20 should be okay. And this will be the price. So go to the text label and name it price text, and let's scale this a little bit. Size Y, scale 0.5, 0.2, 0.15. This should be alright. And let's change the position a little bit. Y scale 1, 0.2, 0.5, 0.8. Okay, so 0.6 should be good. And then add a script, and the script will change the price text. So script.parent.text equals to script.parent. Well, actually, let's do this, and let's actually put, no, let's do this, and script.parent.parent.price.value, and this will change the text to the price. So, and now let's duplicate this, change it to name, remove the script, and put it a little bit up, so like 0.3, and you can name this anything you want, so lava zone. And what we can do now is make a replicated storage, make a remote event, and call the remote event something like buy zone. And now we can start scripting it. So before we can start scripting it, we need to decide how we want the zone to be bought. Like if we want to touch it or click, or if you want to touch it and then show UI. But for now I will just make it clickable, so add click detector, and I will set it to like 20, or yes, 20. And then let's add a script to the doors. Let's call it buy, and let's detect when you click on the door. So script.parent.clickDetector.mouse button one click connect function player. And now if player dot leader stats dot, and now let's look at the leader stats script and see how we named our cache. And as you can see, it's called cache. So if player.leaderstats.cache.value greater or equals to script.parent, let's see where is the price, script.parent.price.value, then so if the player has enough cache, then we will decrease the cache. So player.leaderstats, did I put it right? Yes. leaderstats.cache.value minus equals to script.parent.price.value, and then we will fire the event. So game.replicated storage dot buy zone fire client, and then we will paste the player. And let's make few variables. So local doors equals to script.parent. Now when we have the doors, we can also put the doors there, and this should work. I think it will work, but I don't know, it's first time I'm testing it. If not, I will make another video where I will be explaining if it worked or not and why. But because I don't know, maybe you will need to do like return doors but I don't think that's needed. But well, I have over 1 year of experience, but I still never used this, so I don't even know how it works. So if there is anyone in the comments, I would like and appreciate if you could explain if it's needed there or not, or what it does. But for now, we will just use this. If you have any problems, tell me down in the comments. I will definitely try and help you. And now what we can do is get a new local script and start player's script. Call the script like by zone. And what we will do there is to detect when this by zone replicated remote event is fired. So came to the replicated search dot by zone dot on client event connect function, and now we will need the doors. So when it's fired, we will get this, and we paste the doors there, and we can basically do doors clone destroy, and that's it. Let's test it. And as you can see, lava zone, it updated, it's 50. As you can see, when I click it, it does nothing, but let's get some clicks, and sell it. Now we got 88, let's buy it. As you can see, we bought it, and it removed our cache, and now we have this zone, and as you can see, it removed only for us, and it stayed on the server, so you didn't buy the zone for other players, just for you. But when you leave and join back, you will have to buy the zone again. But if this video will get 10 likes, I will definitely make a next episode where we will be making it so the doors will save, and when you leave and join back, you won't need to buy the zone back. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.